In this section, we will be understanding how the writing of the behavioral interview questions. The questions for the behavioral interviews should be written to elicit the details about the candidate's past experience that would reflect and identify job-related competences. These questions should be clear, concise, and should encourage the candidate to share openly about their typical behavior that demonstrates the job-related competences. There are two models or two approaches for preparing the behavioral interview questions. The first is your the CAR model, the CAR, represented in the form of CAR to make it easy. The word three, there are three words. What is called as the context, action, and the result. Okay. So the synonym for this is basically the CAR. In the contest section, the candidates state the context of the situation and challenges they have faced. When the goals, what goals were you trying to achieve? What problems or obstacles or were preventing the achievement of these goals? In general, you must set the questions in order to explain what happened as a result of the actions. Okay. The second is your action. In this section, the questions should be within the set on the basis of the context of the of the context. It should be clear that the action that were we went for implementing the context or implementing whatever the things that is being done for the action should be on the basis of the context. This section actually allows one to provide the evidence for the particular competences, highlighting to the interviewers or the interview what understanding are we looking forward for or the issues and how to act on the given context. The result is basically what happened and on the basically the output of what context was and what on the action was taken to resolve that issues. There can be a negative outcomes and then there can be a positive outcomes of that. On the basis of the results, actually whether that person was actually achieved to that or not, it can be defined. Okay. Now this interview, when we are making the questions using the CAR model, we need to understand or set the context or the actions or results designing in our questions according to the different the circumstances, or set up examples that has already existed and ask to explain the context, and on the basis of that ask them to explain the actions and the result. The other model of the behavioral interview questions is the STAR method. The STAR method is the most popular method of designing or writing the behavioral interview questions. It is useful and the popular approach for developing the behavioral interview questions. The STAR model actually helps the candidate frame their responses to behavioral questions by encouraging them to respond with a story about the past behavior. An example framework for developing the structured behavior interview using the STAR model can be, say for example, situation. If you're asking related to the situation, what are the situation the candidate was in? For example, the questions can be related like, tell me about a time. Okay, tell me about a time when this thing happened with you. Okay, say the sale was going down, the recruitment actually did not take place, the product was not doing well. So tell me about that time, about a time when the product was not doing well. Or you can ask about the questions related to task, when the task of the candidate need to be accomplished, whether you have faced or the multiple competences or then completing the the deadlines. Then it can be related to actions, where the actions of the candidates took to accomplish the task. So if we see the action part of both the STAR model as well as the your CAR model, more or less is the same. What actually you did to overcome that situation. The situation is basically what we call as the context in case of car model. That is the situation in case of star model. The task and the situation actually combines together in case of context in case of the car model. Now there is a result. Okay, now anything output, that what we discussed about the car model itself, we talked about what was the output, final outcome of whatever the event that actually took place, whether it was successful, whether it was not successful. If it is was successful, then further probing questions can be asked related to, if it is was successful, how it actually turned out to be successful, and if it is not successful, how it actually did not turn out to be more successful. What we will do is that we will be updating in a PDF file some of the questions that has designed for the behavioral interview questions on certain competences, so that when you can go through that questions. Okay, that also there are n numbers of different questions that are available in on Google, but itself we will be providing you enormous questions so that you can design it. Okay. The questions can be both situation that will be both related to situational as well as the competency based interviewing. So in case you are taking interviews for a person who are not much experienced, you can put them on the situational interview. But always remember, the first thing that you need to have is your behavior, competency dictionary, because that will give you the glimpse or rating scale on which you will be working on that. Thus, the complete behavioral question presented to the candidate would say, for example, we can say that complete question, tell me about a time when you faced multiple completing deadlines, when what did you do and how did you turn up? Now, if we ask this question, say again, I repeat that, tell me about a time when you have faced, when you are faced with a multiple completing deadlines, multiple competing deadlines, when did, what did you do and how did it turn up? Now this question completes entire into your situation. It gives about the situation, that is then tell me about the time. Okay, then where the task is that, what was what you are when you are faced with multiple competing deadlines. Action is that, what did you do? Result is, how did you turn out? So when we are talking about the star model, this will be there, and when we will be using the context, the context is that, tell me about a time where you have faced a multiple competing deadlines, that is the context. What did you do, that is the action, and what did it, how did it turn out, is the result. Okay, so either you use the context or the car model or the star model or star method. More or less both of them are the same, giving you the proper designed interview questions, and that need to be ready before you actually go for the interview process.